How to log in into your Delta Net Extranet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Delta Net Extranet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your web browser and then simply search for Delta Net Extranet. So after you search for it, just wait for it and you'll get the sign in website on the top. Simply tap on that option. Now the website is deltanet.delta.com. You can directly head over to the website as well. So wait for the website to log in and there you go. Now all you need to do is enter your PPR or Delta login and then just type in your password. And after you do that, tap on sign in and you'll get logged in into your Delta account. And it's that simple. Now, if you're having trouble signing in, you can tap on this option as well. And then you will get the option to recover your account. And yeah, that is basically all for this video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.